catastrophic rainfall slamming southeast Brazil, now killing at least 46 people. Entire roads washed away in the downpours. Donations now rushing into the state of Sao Paulo as hundreds of rescue workers continue searching for survivors. Landslides and flooding followed the huge weekend deluge.
É uma coisa sem explicação, é muito rápido. Ou você corre, ou você morre. E não dá para carregar nada, né? Só a sua vida. Então, que é o principal, né?
Sao Paulo's governor saying in a statement that nearly 800 people are left homeless and at least 1,700 are now displaced. President Luis Inácio Lula da Silva flying over affected areas with cabinet ministers, pledging to help construct new houses in safer places.
Eu posso garantir que os meus ministros, governador, estarão dispostos a conversar para que a gente compartilhe, para que a gente faça uma parceria para recuperar efetivamente, de verdade, o estrago que a chuva fez aqui em São Sebastião.
Survivors and the bodies of landslide victims airlifted by the military out of the flood zones. One woman describing her harrowing journey on the ground, saying the water was like an avalanche when it reached her building, thanking God she and her family were able to survive. Nearby in the state of Sao Paulo, Brazil's carnival celebrations, which take place around this time of the year, were canceled due to the destruction. Officials expecting the death toll to continue rising, with more than 36 people still unaccounted for. But locals remain hopeful.
Esperança é a última que morre, a gente tem muita esperança. E nós todos com esperança de encontrar ainda alguém com vida.
The area took on more than 23 inches of rain, the highest ever cumulative amount, according to the Brazilian government. President Lula, who campaigned on environmental issues, now urging the government to restore infrastructure facilities damaged in the landslides.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.